Welcome to the MS Outlook Overview e-course. This e-course contains narration. In order to hear the narration, be sure to turn on your speakers or plug your headphones into your computer. Turn on the volume of your computer and make sure the volume is set at the correct level. To adjust your volume, click the speaker icon on the right-hand side of your system tray. The purpose of this e-course is to introduce you to the basic functionality of MS Outlook so you can use this powerful tool to manage your email, calendar, and contacts. During this e-course, you will gain the knowledge and skills to do the following: navigate the Outlook environment, send and receive emails, create and manage contacts, and work with your calendar. We will begin by taking a look at the Microsoft environment. Then we'll take a look at all the actions that we can perform with email, including how to create emails and how to add attachments. Then we'll work with contacts and discuss how you create contacts and groups. Last, we'll talk about the calendar and all of its functionality. But first, let's get started with the Outlook environment. The task pane provides easy access to commonly used features and functions in Outlook. The Go menu enables you to quickly access frequently used components of MS Outlook, such as the calendar and contacts. The To-Do bar displays the calendar and your upcoming appointments, as well as any incomplete tasks. The Workspace displays the content and actions that are available to you in the particular component of Outlook that you are in at the moment. For example, this workspace displays all the emails that are in my inbox, as well as a preview pane so that I can preview emails. The preview pane displays the contents of a selected message without opening the message. The menu bar lists all available menus in Microsoft Outlook. The standard toolbar provides quick access to the most frequently used commands in Outlook. Now that you know the lay of the land, let's take a closer look at the actions that can be performed in the email component of Microsoft Outlook. The Mail environment displays the status of all the emails in your inbox and the folders you have access to. The unread email icon indicates an email that is still waiting to be read. The attachment icon, represented by a paperclip, indicates that the email contains attachments. The blue forward icon indicates that you have forwarded the email to someone. The magenta arrow or reply icon denotes that you have replied to this email. The high importance icon indicates that this email is time sensitive or needs urgent action. Folders are virtual filing cabinets you can use to store and manage your emails. In this section, we will take a look at creating and sending emails. To create an email, select New. The untitled message window is displayed. There are multiple ways to address an email. We will take a look at a few of these. The first and easiest way to address an email is to simply type the name of a recipient. The other way is to click the To button. The Select Names Global Address List dialog box is displayed. In this dialog box, type the name of the contact you are searching for. Next, select the contact. From this dialog box, you can select the addressing options. In other words, you can select whether you want to send this email to somebody, you want to CC the contact, or you want to BCC the contact. So next, indicate your addressing option and click OK. You can also select the addressing options directly from the new email. Don't forget to add a descriptive subject line. Enter your text in the body of your email. Next, click Send. Microsoft Outlook contains a default spell checking feature. If you accidentally misspell a word in your email, you'll be prompted to select the correct spelling. Once you've selected the correct word, click Change. The next thing we're going to discuss is working with attachments. Create a new email, add recipients, and a subject line. There are multiple types of attachments you can add to a document. The most common is document attachment, which is represented by the paperclip icon. But you can also attach emails and contacts to your emails. To attach a document, select the Attach File icon in the Include group of the ribbon. The Insert File dialog box is displayed. From here, navigate to the document you want to attach. Select the document and click Insert. Your document is now attached. Now let's look at how you can attach an email. First, click the Attach Email icon. Select the folder that contains the email you want to attach. Select an email and click OK. Your email is now attached. Last, let's look at how you attach a contact. To attach a contact, select the Attach a Contact icon. From this menu, select a contact or select Other Business Cards to view all the contacts in your address book. The Insert Business Card dialog box is displayed. From here, select a contact and click OK. All your attachments are added and you can now click Send. In this section, we're going to discuss how to create a folder and a subfolder. To create a new folder, click the drop-down arrow on the New button. Next, select Folder from the drop-down menu. The Create New Folder dialog box is displayed. Enter a name for your new folder and select a location. After you've selected a location for your folder, click OK. It is important to create all new folders under your mailbox unless you're creating a subfolder within an already existing folder. We will demonstrate how to create a subfolder, sometimes referred to as a child folder, next. Your folder has been created and now displays in the task pane. You can display more action options by right-clicking on the folder name. From this menu, you can move the folder, copy it, delete it, rename it, or create a new subfolder. Creating a new subfolder is the action that we're going to learn about next. To create a subfolder or a child folder, select New Folder from the right-click menu. As before, the Create a New Folder dialog box is displayed. Enter a name for your folder and select the original folder, sometimes referred to as a parent folder, as the location for your new subfolder. When finished, click OK. Your subfolder or child folder is created. Next, we're going to move on to assigning colors to individual or group email senders. This is particularly useful if you want to draw attention to emails from clients or from your supervisor. To get started, select Tools from the standard toolbar. From the Tools menu, select Organize. The Ways to Organize pane is displayed. From here, select Using Colors. In the color message line, click the drop-down arrow. Select From. Enter the name of the sender whose emails you want to apply color to. You can also use the drop-down arrow to select a different color. Finally, click Apply Color. Any emails in your inbox from that recipient now display in the color you selected. When you receive new emails from that sender, they also display in the color you selected. The next thing that we'll look at is archiving documents. To archive documents, navigate to the File option in this toolbar. From the menu options, select Archive. The Archive dialog box is displayed. Select the folder you want to archive and click OK. Your folder is now archived, and you can locate your records in the Archive folder. In this section, we'll take a look at creating a signature. A signature is the block of text with your professional contact information that's automatically added to any emails you create in Outlook. To create your signature, select Tools from the standard toolbar. From the Tools menu, select Options. The Options dialog box is displayed. From here, select the Mail Format tab. In the Signatures group of the Mail Format tab, click the Signatures button. The Signatures and Stationery dialog box is displayed. From here, locate your office in the Select Signature to Edit box. The generic signature block that is standard for your office is displayed. Make all necessary edits, such as changing your name, your position title, your direct contact information, and fax. Finally, click OK. Click OK again in the Options dialog box and return to Microsoft Outlook. Now that you've learned to perform all kinds of actions with emails, let's take a look at how you work with contacts. Let's begin by taking a closer look at the contacts environment. The contacts environment is where you would create, edit, and email contacts and groups. The task pane enables you to navigate the different contact books you have access to, change the way you view your contacts, and share your contact list with other Outlook users. The workspace is where you would view contacts and select contacts you want to edit. You can also use the letter tabs on the right to navigate your contact list. The business card view is one example of how you can view your contacts list in Outlook. In this section, we will discuss how you create contacts. The workspace is where you view contacts and select contacts you want to edit. You can also use the letter tab on the right to navigate your contact list. The business card view is one example of how you can view your contact list in Outlook. In this section, we will discuss how you create contacts.